So in this video, we will try to see a development which is more important for our preliminary examination. We need some example, some important facts, right, related to movement of the depressed classes, or popularly you will see we are calling it caste movements, right. So we are going to see some development or examples related to caste movements, right. So heading would be caste movements, right, or lower caste movement, right. So lower caste movement, lower caste movement, fine. So why this lower caste movement, why this depressed class movement? See, one of the major cause was the grievances of those educated men belonging to the lower and intermediate, right, you can say caste, grievances. And they raised their voice against a system which discriminated against them. Fine. So this lower caste movement, if we can say, right, why this, one of the major reason was, right, those grievances of those lower or the intermediate caste. Why this grievance, right, because of, right, the discrimination against them. Fine. So we have some example and we have to remember those example, their leaders, for our examination. Fine. So they are asking, you will see some question they are asking related to there, and it helped also, it created an awareness, so it finally gave rise to a new kind of society. Fine, right. So the first example of this lower caste or the depressed class caste movement would be number one, what you call Satya Sodhak movement. Satya Sodhak movement. Satya Sodhak movement. So this movement, Satya Sodhak movement, was started. It was started by Jyotiba Phule. Jyotiba, right? Phule. Jyotiba Phule in Maharashtra. Right. Satya Sodhak movement was started by Jyotiba Phule in Maharashtra, and right, book associated with Jyotiba Phule was, right, Gulam Giri, Gulam Giri, Gulam Giri, and his organization was Satya Sodhak Samaj, Satya Sodhak Samaj. Sometimes they are asking year also, 1873. 1873, Satya Sodhak Samaj. Right? And right, what they proclaim? They proclaim the need to save the lower, you can say, caste from those Brahmins, exploitative Brahmins, right? Hypocritical Brahmins, right? So they wanted to save the society from that. Fine. So Satya Sodhak Samaj, Maharashtra, Jyotiba Phule. Fine. 1873, sometime they are asking year also here, right? So we can remember it. Then the second example, right, would be what you call Mahar movement. Mahar movement in Western India. Mahar movement. It was the movement of the untouchable Mahars of Maharashtra, untouchable Mahars of Maharashtra, led by Dr. Right, B.R. Ambedkar, B.R. Ambedkar, B.R. Ambedkar, right, B.R. Ambedkar, their first graduate, Mahars, right, and this movement, Mahar movement, gained momentum in 1920s, Mahar movement gained momentum in 1920s. Fine, right? And one important, you can say, right, organization related to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, right, for history, we should remember what you call Bahiskrit Hitkarni Sabha. Sometime, right, they are asking this also. Bahiskrit Hitkarni Sabha, right? So as they have asked it, so we are adding. But all these personalities, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and, right, Jyotiba Phule, these personalities are so inspirational, right, that whatever idea, whatever information you are getting about them, we must remember it. So this institute, this you can say organization, Bahiskrit Hitkarni Sabha in Bombay, right, it was actually for moral and material you can say progress of untouchables. So we have to remember it. Fine. Then third example, right, the third example related to this depressed classes was, right, these two you can remember in the Western India. Then come to South India. In South India, you have some example like you have justice movement, right, in South India, and justice movement, right, in 1915-16 around, justice movement. And this movement you will see, right, some important name like associated with this movement, leaders like C.N. Mudaliar, C.N. Mudaliar, C.N. Mudaliar, T.M. Nair, T.M. Nair. Then number 3, P. Sorry, right, P. Tyagaraj Chetty, T.Y., T.Y.A., right, G.A.R.A.J, Tyagaraj, yes, Tyagaraj Chetty, right. So justice movement. And this justice movement, right, these people, right, these leaders, you can say, right, they were against those Brahminical predominance in education, government service, right. So justice movement. And they formed a justice party also, which exhibited loyalty to the British government. Fine. So justice movement you have to remember for your examination. Then fourth movement, fourth example in South India, we can take up very popular self-respect movement. Self-respect movement. Self-respect movement. So this movement, right, in 1925 became very popular. 1925 became very popular, self-respect movement in Tamil Nadu, right, led by Ramaswamy Naikar, Ramaswamy Naikar, Naikker, popularly called PEDR, popularly known as PEDR, P-E-R-I, PEDR. And this movement was also against Brahmin domination. And self-respect movement, you will see many new features, like it advocated wedding without Brahmin priest, forcible temple entry. Then very popular, you can say, one important activity, burning of the Manu Smriti. It was actually symbol of Brahminical domination, Manu Smriti, right? And there was a Tamil journal associated with PEDR called Kudi Arasu. They have asked this kind of question in different examinations, so therefore I am mentioning it, right? And you would be adding more gradually, right? There are, right, many facts right here also. So self-respect movement, Ramaswamy Naikar, right? This example you can remember. Then you can also remember one in South India, one lower caste movement called Nadar movement in Tamil Nadu. Nadar, right? Nadar movement, right? Or Sanas movement. And Nadar Mahajan Sangham was established in 1910, right? So Nadar movement, right? Then in Tamil Nadu, in northern Tamil Nadu, right, you will see one more movement, not very popular, but right, you can remember it, Pallis, 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 right? Pallis, a lower caste movement. They started claiming a higher status, right? Pallis movement. But the more popular movement, right, one more popular movement, this is more popular in Kerala, what you call Ejhava movement. Ejhava movement, lower caste movement, right, in Kerala, under the leadership of Nanu, right, Asan, ASAN, popularly called Narayan Guru. This you have to prepare, Narayan Guru. It was in news also, Narayan Guru. Narayan Guru. So this would be popular, this would be important, right? Ejhava or Narayan Guru movement. And this movement, right, is also called SNDP movement. SNDP movement. SNDP movement, right? Sri Narayan Dharma Pratipalan Yogam. Sri Narayan Dharma Pratipalan Yogam. And there is a word, Arayapuram movement, Aravipuram, Aravipp, right, URAM. These are some important names associated with this movement. Aravipuram movement, SNDP movement. And its objective was to abolish untouchability. Objective was to abolish untouchability and, right, to build a simplified system of rituals regarding worship, marriage, funerals, and to build a simplified system of rituals regarding worship, marriage, and funerals. Fine. So this movement is a very important movement in Kerala. And then this was what number? Right, 7. So one more example you can take up, one more example in Kerala, and what is called Nayar movement. Nayar movement, right? Nayar movement associated with C.V. Raman Pillai. Nayar movement, Travancore, right? You will see that it also attacked Brahmin predominance in government job. So these are some example of, you can say, depressed class movement. Then you will see that you can also remember some organization related to the welfare of depressed classes, like, right, We Are Sindhe formed Depressed Class Mission Society, right, in 20th century, first, right, you can say half, We Are Sindhe. Then you have Mukund Rao Patil associated with an organization called Bahujan Samaj, Mukund Rao Patil. So these are some example you can remember. Fine. So these examples, and right, you can remember for your examination related to this depressed classes, right, or the movement of the depressed classes. Okay.